I'm Jasper. I live in Hamburg. I'm originally from the northwest of Germany, but then I moved up to the north. I am part of the go-to-market team. We are basically bringing the product to the market. And I'm explicitly in the role of a sales engineer, which means I'm supporting the tech side of it, especially until the contract is signed. So meaning customers come in and we help them figure out if our product is a fit and how it might be a fit and how we can basically solve whatever kind of problems they want to tackle. It might be that they need better access to their data. It might be that they want to reduce costs or that they want to be more productive. And I'm helping them figuring out how they can solve these challenges. And that's the part I like most. Our teams are super empowered in what they're doing. We really take ownership. Each team and each team member feels empowered to make the decisions and do what they need to do. I'm super proud to be here. Maybe I would use the word privileged, that we can take part in this AI journey in a startup that has been there from the get-go and is really shaping how this market is developing. So yeah, it's amazing.